All right. Let's start with this review. What is the volume of the square pyramid? So, real quick, we look right here. Square pyramid is right here. Volume, we have B, which is our area of our base, and then our height. And area of the base is the inside of our square. So, this right here. So, it's really what's the area of the square. So, B equals H equals 1/3 area of our base times height. So, for this, to find our B, we do 4 times 4 or 4 squared. So 4 times 4, we get 16. That's 16. It's just really the area of that square base of our uh, square pyramid. Then our height is 6. Our answer here is 32. Next, what is the volume of the square pyramid? Round to the nearest tenth. So again, B equals that square base, our height, and then 1/3 our square base times our height. So our square base, we have 13, and then right here would be 13. So again, that's 13 squared, or 13 times 13. We get 169. Then our height is 7. Again, if you look right here, that height is 7. That's our height or our altitude like we looked at on day 1. And round this to the nearest tenth, 39.3, right? 3, 3. 4 below stays the same. 5 or above changes. So there we go. And good work. Green check mark. Next, what is the surface area of the square pyramid? L equals, so now we want to use this formula right here. Surface area of our square pyramid right over here. L equals, this P is for perimeter if you see it right here. And this B equals is the same area of the base like we did for that last one. And then we have 1/2 LP plus capital B. So L, which is right here, is our slant length, slant height, slant length, diagonal. That's going to be 6. P is our perimeter. So if we have this, our square base is 10. So if we have a square that has a side of 10, all sides are 10, we want to add up all these sides. If we add up 10 times, we add up 10 4 times, we get 40. Excuse me. And then B, that is our base area of this square right here. It's 10 times 10 is 100. So that answer is 220. Next, what is the surface area of this square pyramid? We have L equals, P equals, and then B equals. We have 1/2 LP plus B. Our slant length here is 16. Our perimeter, again, this is going to be the outside of the square base. We add up all those sides, they're all 13. So we want to add up 13 4 times. I'm not going to write them all. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. We get 52. And then our square base again is just 13 times 13, which we just did, which was 169. So our surface area, that area around, again, is 585. So if we were to cover this shape, any of our surface areas are around. Volume, that means we're filling up on the inside. All right, this is a net. Whenever we have a net, we do surface area. L equals, P equals, B equals 1/2 LP plus B. So our slant length here is right here. That's going to be 12. Our perimeter, and our perimeter is going to be, again, these are all, it's going to be always a square pyramid. So if I have my perimeter, I have 4 times 6. If I add 6 4 times, I get 24. B is 36. I get 180. B is going to be our area, right? So it's just 6 times 6 again. That's the same base area. So for each one of these, you have to find this be the base area. Surface area, you have to find the perimeter, the outside of that square base. Then we use our slant length. Next part, we have our volume of our cone. And again, now P equals 3.14 because there's a circle. So whenever we have a circle, we want to use 3.14. Have my radius of 5. Then my height is 17. I'm going to type in my formula, PR squared H. Say if you didn't use the P though, like say if you did pi R squared H, See how similar they are? Like SOL test. Usually tests will want you to use P equals 3.14. The SOL will probably want you to use either or, but your answers will be close enough. But we're going to use the P equals one just so we get a better accurate answer for the 3.14, 44.8. So that's right there. So same thing for this next one. The cone, P equals 3.14. Our radius, our height, squared h. Our radius is 8. Our height is 21. Why is our radius 8 real quick? Our diameter here is 16. So we take half of 16. We get 8. 7.2. Last one. We're going to, again, this is just all volume. What's the volume of the cone? What's the equation going to be? So real quick. Well, we have 1/3 pi. We know that's going to be. The key thing here we want to know is what's our radius? Our radius here is 21. So because we have 1/3 as our formula, it's going to be A. 1/3 pi, 21 squared, R squared, H. It'll be that top one. These last ones we're not going to worry about. That's it for your test. Good luck tomorrow.